Hi everyone, this is Saurabh and today I am here with a new video of the list of companies and brands which exist in a market and provide extremely good package and benefits, and every fresher or every working professional who do not understand or who don't know that which all are the companies who provide some extra perks and benefits, and they are very much providing good amount in the market. And so there are tons of companies which offers variety of things and variety of pay packages range from 12 lakhs to 40 lakhs for even a fresher guy. So you can expect so freshers, what I see, the main problem in the market is like freshers do not know like on in which company they should apply for. Probably they know the majority brands which are service based brands and other product based brands which are very much popular, but few companies are there which exist in the market, but they do not know like whether in this company I should apply or not. Or for working professionals, whenever they get a call from Naukri or somewhere that this particular company is hiring, and the person is not aware of that company, so they end up by saying no, I'm not looking for job change. So that should not be the case. At least you should be aware of which all are the companies which are good and reputed in the market. So what I have done is I have created a list of the companies which are well prestigious, and they are offering great perks, great benefits, and a lot much cash eventually in your pocket at the end of the month, right? So let's quickly, without wasting any time, let's jump up to the companies names. And if you get calls from these companies, please reconsider your thought whether you want to apply it or not. Okay, so I'll share my screen to demonstrate like what all are the companies in which you cannot say no to them if you are looking for a good job or with extra cash or with huge amount of benefits with it. So let's begin. I've jotted down here, and these brands are very much good in the market. Of course, all the FANG companies, including Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, Google. So these are the prestigious brand which offers great pay package. Apart from it, the stock options which are very much good into the market. Okay, apart from it, like Uber, DirectAI, Goldman Sachs, TE Shaw. So these are also some good brands. And Tower Research, this is a very great company which if they visit IITs, then they offer like from 20 to even for 40 lakhs per annum for the even for fresher. So you can assume like if you crack the Star Research and the eShaw kind of companies, they will get a good cash in hand, right? So of course, like apart from it, in the list is very much huge. I have listed down 60 companies, irrespective of their sequence. Every company is well reputed. So probably if you get call, try to think again, like you need a serious preparation for them. So and other companies are like Gojek, Swiggy, Salesforce, Cadence, and Nutanix, Coordination, Walmart offers a great package as well. So and these coordination these are also some companies which fresher candidate do not know, but they offers like good package, huge package in the market. So you can see, you can go through all the list whatever I have created. And if you have any question, probably you can ask in the comment section, and prepare accordingly in which companies you want to apply for. And the few things which I want to specify here, because lot many freshers or experienced professional who has a wish to work outside India. Okay, so I would like to tell this, share this information with you, that Amazon, not you, if you directly apply for US for any of the company, your application will get rejected. and you will get the same email saying that okay, thank for your interest, we have checked your background, it is very good, but probably we have thought to move with another candidate. Okay, because they will not provide you relocation for the US. And like for US, there are plenty amount of visa applications are there, but very less are entertained, right? So what you can do is, in Europe actually you will get a lot much chances that these companies are hiring. Okay, so because in Europe, tech is, they welcome all across the globe, all the technical people, and Indians are also everywhere. Like, so these companies from Luxembourg, Germany, okay, so they guys offer relocation expense as well. So Amazon, if you apply for Amazon Germany or Amazon London, probably the you will get a call from their offices. So even if you are fresher and want to apply for Amazon London or Germany, definitely it will work. But if you same time if you apply for US, you will not get shortlisted for this screening round, right? So same appears for this booking.com do not have an office in India. So probably you will apply for the booking.com Netherlands, and they will provide you relocation expenses on all these things, visa and sponsorship. So booking.com is also a great company for the SDEs and SJETs and QEs. So you can apply booking. And the perks and benefits are also amazing, and you will experience a good work-life balance in the Netherlands, right? So, and the list is Agoda Thailand. So Agoda is also one of the good company which you can apply directly on the website, or you can ask referral from anybody who you know on a LinkedIn. Okay, so Agoda, they will send you one test link, and then you need to complete it, and probably 2 to 3 rounds they will take, uh, and after that they will call you on site, and then they will offer you the flight and everything, and then you will be interviewed there on their office location, and then they will extend the offer. Okay, so this is also possible, like if you want to work internationally. ByteDance is basically a TikTok, and so TikTok offers a great package, and they sponsorship, visa, and the relocation expenses as well. So that's actually a very good company to start if you're looking for a foreign opportunity. Okay, so these are some outside India opportunities are there. All you need to explore. Apart from it, if I talk about domestic thing, then these are the companies you can go through it, like VMware, Airbnb, Juniper Networks. I think Airbnb office is not there in India, so this is for outside, but it's actually a good brand. So, and if you want to check about the salaries and all, probably you can check Blind. Okay, so Blind is actually a great platform to check the interview experiences and the pay package they are offering. You can get a great amount of estimation if you are negotiating, okay, with the company. Okay, because I'm willing to relocate outside, and probably I do not have any idea where to check and where not. So these kind of geeks was, it's a I think this one is also, Glassdoor also provides a good information, and Blind is also one of the platform where you can ask questions related to any um, tech or relocation related, or any kind of questions you can ask. And so it would be great, like if you know well in advance, like what company is offering, what are the pay package at my experience is, something like that. So thank you very much for going through this list, and probably this will help you. And if you are new to the channel, just subscribe this channel and share this channel to your friends and colleagues, and because they will also get help from such kind of content. So thank you once again, see you in the next video.